Welcome back, Crammers, to question 4. Simplify 10y minus y. This has a hidden coefficient of 1, so it's really 10y minus 1y, which is just 9y. Simplify 3p times 4p, so we have 3 times 4, that's 12, and we have p times p, so that's p to the power 1 times p to the power of 1, and when multiplying, we simply add the coefficient, so we have p to the power of 2. So our answer here is 12p squared. Solve 7x equals 42. We divide both sides by 7 to isolate x. This cancels out, so we just have 42 divided by 7, that is 6. Solve n plus 6 is equal to 5. We can bring 6 to the other side, and we have n is equal to 5. Now it becomes negative, so minus 6. 5 minus 6 is negative 1, so n is equal to negative 1 here. Simplify 8c plus 5d minus 2c minus 3d. We can bring all the like terms together. So we have 8c minus 2c. Then we have plus 5d and minus 3d. Now we combine everything that's like term. 8c minus 2c is 6c. And negative 5d, positive 5d minus 3d is plus 2d, which is 6c plus 2d. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.